Libra, welcome to the channel. This is the Lady of the Throne, where God dwells within me as me. Thank you for being here today. If you like or resonate with this, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe before you go. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and drop a comment down below if this resonates with you. And if you are interested in finding out about your life purpose, spiritual gifts, your love life, any advice from your angels and guides, powerful insights and information about what you need to hear, and something that is very direct and honest and tells you exactly what it is that you are seeking, you've come to the right place. And if you want to go deeper and explore more about what you need to hear, then I do recommend getting a personal. Okay, so down below in the description box, that is where you will find the link to my shop where you can invest so that you can get that spiritual guidance and insight that you need. All right, so Libra, we're going to talk about what's going on in love. We're only going to focus on that area. So we're going to be looking at how you both feel about each other and how you both see each other. This can be a love interest, someone that you're in a situationship with, or someone that you want to manifest something with. All right, so the way you feel about this person, it seems like some of you may be planning some type of vacation or getaway with this person, a date. Maybe this person's planning with you, or this can be something more personal where you yourself will feel like it's time for you to take like a little vacation, do your own thing, take a break from work or things like that. But it does seem like it's a fun thing. It seems fun, all right? It seems like something that you just feel like you want to do. Maybe your soul is yearning for this. Maybe this is something you really, really feel you need to do. Maybe you hadn't been investing a lot of time into yourself or doing fun things for yourself lately, but you probably feel like, you know what? Before like it gets really cold outside, I think I want to do something really nice before this time comes in. I just want to have fun. So some of you could be going off to exotic lands, places. I'm getting pina coladas or frozen virgin daiquiris, of course, no alcohol, please. But just like things like that, I feel like you just want to, just be cute and have a good time for some of you. Now, this can be actually manifesting for some Libras. For others of you, this could be just a dream right now. But even if it's that, I feel like your mind is just really on, just enjoying yourself, just doing leisurely things, not focusing on anything too serious right now. I feel like you really do need a sweet escape from things and some travel and leisure time coming up for some of you. Or maybe you're just planning this for the future, dreaming about it. All right. So your person of interest, they feel harmonious with you. This is a person who feels at peace within this connection after realizing many things about the time that they are in right now with you. This person is having like a deep and passionate feelings that are coming up towards you right now. And this is making this person honestly sit back and reflect upon this connection with you. So this person's in a very deep reflective mode at this time. They're thinking about it like, dang, the Libra, I must really love the Libra because I'm doing this. Or I've never done this for anyone before, but I'm doing it for this person. I must really feel some type of way about this person. Or wow, for the first time, I feel embarrassed about something. I've never felt like this before. This is the first woman that's made me feel like this, or the first man that's made me feel like this. Wow, I can't believe that I am answering the phone on the first ring. I don't do this for my own mom. Like, it's something that this person is realizing that they are doing that they have never seen themselves do before. And they're really sitting back like, you're the person who did this to me. It was you who did this. It was you who did this. So that's what this person's sitting back like, yeah, it was you. You have me feeling like this and I've never felt like this, or you have me thinking like this and I've never thought like this. Maybe this person's in love for the first time. Oh, that is the cutest little puppy. I'm sorry, guys. Like, I just see the cutest. Oh, so cute. Sorry. Okay, so, yeah, this person could be like, just really focused on you, right now. And they feel like they want to stay with you because they're just like, yeah, I can't believe this. I can't believe, so this could be the beginning stages of a relationship, or maybe this is a friendship that wants to be. And maybe they want to be now because they are starting to realize that they actually do have feelings, because if they didn't, they wouldn't act the way they act, right? So the way you see them, this person has a high frequency type of energy. They are someone whose frequency is so high energetically that you can play ideas off of them. You bounce ideas off of them, or they inspire you in some kind of way. Or maybe you're just able to take some of their energy to help you manifest things into reality that you want for your life, right? Maybe this person inspires you to want to get up, get out, and get something. Or if you want to be somebody, you want to go somewhere, you better get up, get out, and go and do something about it, right? Or wake up and smell the coffee. Like all those little slangs, those slogans, whatever you want to call it, guys. Like, this person just makes you, just think of some, drop some down in the comments section. Those old sayings, right? This person just makes you want to, when the going gets tough, what is that one? Isn't that for like a Dodge commercial? I don't know, guys. Like, I'm thinking of commercials from like old commercials and slogans and ad campaigns. Some of you could be doing this type of work, advertising, marketing. That could be something that you're into, because all of these things are coming up in my mind. But either way, it's like a person who has visualized or has seen themselves being with someone like you, and it's happening. And because you know that they have done this, you're like, you know what? If they can manifest me, I can manifest marrying them then. Like it's just this energy where it's like, okay, well, if this person's that powerful to be able to draw me in, then let me finish this off. Let me, throw the ball to me. The ball is now in my court, and let me take us to the top, right? Let me do this. So I think some of you are just like, amazed at this person's ability to transmute any negativity that came their way within this relationship or this connection. This person is really standing up for you or for your connection together. And because they're this way, this makes you this way. So it's like you move, I move, just like that. You're moving how they move. And because of that, this makes you want to move forward. This makes them want to move forward, especially your person, Libra. It makes them want to move forward and be with you, okay? Now, how do they see you? The numbers 22, 23, 3, or 5 could be significant for some of you guys in this connection. But they see you finally cooperating with them. And I say finally because maybe it's been a little while, or it's been a minute. Maybe at first you weren't really on the same page with them. Or maybe at first you weren't talking to them. Maybe at first you weren't reaching out to them. Maybe at first you weren't expressing yourself to them. But now they see you cooperating. And they feel like it benefits you and them and this whole connection so much when you finally work with them instead of working against them. Because what this does is when you guys work together, it creates a safe and nurtured connection. You both feel safe to express yourselves. You both feel honest with each other, brave about each other. You both feel courageous about the connection together when you cooperate with them and you're on the same page with them. So this person feels like you have gifts, right? You have gifts that you use not for money, but for a greater cause. It's something about you being humble about what you do for a living for some of you, right? And they admire this. And it doesn't matter who does not see this in you, or it doesn't matter if nobody else but them sees it. They just see you that way. So they're like, I just love the way the Libra uses their talents and their skills to help or for a reason, and the reason is like not really money, Maybe money's somewhere on your list, but that's not the number one thing. And your person can see that whatever you do, you're not doing it for money, for clout, for fame, for, things like that. You're doing it because you're really genuine about it. Like, say for instance, if you are a Libra, like a holistic healer, for some reason I'm getting something about the womb. Some of you could be you could have a yoni business, something like that, or you could be a doula, something like that for some of you. Not all of you, but like, you're not doing it for the money that's in it. You're doing it because this is really a part of who you are. This is something that you're really passionate about. And I'm just calling that out as an example. It could be anything. You could be a school teacher, but you're passionate about it, right? So they feel like this togetherness with you. They feel like you and them are really on the same page. You guys are really sharing your friendship with this person, or maybe your time with them. You're making the connection more tangible for them, more realistic to them, because you're with them. You're right on the same page with them. You're cooperating with them. You're understanding. You're generously giving them your heart, your love. They absolutely love when you're in this type of energy, even though this is going to go away. We're only talking about the 2 weeks in September. You guys always change. So it may not be like that all the time, but this time, that's what they appreciate. All right. And that's all I have. God bless.